welcome back to the EdXL Hub. My name is Srinidhi, and today we're going to be talking about significant figures and decimal places. So, what are significant figures exactly? So, it is each of the digits of a number which is used to show the degree of accuracy. So, the first significant figure of any number is the first non zero digit in the number, counting from the left side of the number. So, for example, 2892. This first significant figure of this number is 2, and the second is 8, and so on. For example, 0.128. The first significant figure of this number is 1, because we're not counting the 0 in this case. Now, how do we use this? So sometimes in a question or in a problem, you have to round up your answer to a specific number of significant figures. So for example, you might have to round 1361 to 2SF, which is short for significant figures. So the first SF is 1 and the second is 3. So we have to round up 3 in this case. So we have to look at the previous number, which is 6, and if that number is greater than or equal to 5, so we round up. So it will be 1400. Let's take another case. 1350 to 2 SF. So the first SF is 1, second SF is 3. So we have to look at the next number, which is 5. So since 5 is equal to obviously 5 and it's midway, you have to round up. So it'll be 1400. For the first case we took, which was 1361 to 2SF, when we round it up to 1400, this shows that 1361 is more closer to 1400 rather than 1300. And in 1350, it is midway between 1400 and 1300. But in this case, we still have to round up because the digit after this is equal to 5. In the third case, if it's a number like 1349 to 2SF, we look at the digit after it, and since it's less than 5, you have to round it down. So it will become 1300, which shows that it is closer to 1300 than 1400. Now, how do we do this in the case of a decimal place? For example, 0.0148 to 2SF. The first SF would be 1 because it's the first non-zero digit. So 1, and the second SF is 4. So we look at the next number. Since it is greater than 5, you have to round it up. So it will become 0.015. If it was a lower number like 0.013 and you had to round it up to 1 SF, so the first SF would be 1. Look at the next number, and since it's less than 5, you round it down. So it will become 0.01. Next, we have decimal places, which is very similar to significant figures, but you have to count the digits after the decimal point, going from left to right. And the rounding rules stay the same in both cases. So, for example, 7.1382 to 2 DP, which is short for decimal places. So when you round it up, you count the first decimal place after the decimal point. So in this case, the second decimal place is 3. 1 is the first decimal place and 3 is the second decimal place. So when you round it up to 2 decimal places, you look at the next number, and if it's greater than 5, in this case 8 is greater than 5, so you round it up. So it will become 7.14. If it was a lower number like 0.0349 to 2 DP, so 0 would be counted in this case. So this would be the first decimal place, 3 would be the second decimal place. So you look at the number after it, like normal rounding up rules, and since it's less than 5, you round down, so it will be 0.03. You should always remember for SF, it is the first non-zero digit, counting from the left. And for DP, which is decimal places, the first DP would be after the decimal point. And the normal rounding up rule is that if the number is greater or equal to 5, then you round up. That's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and don't forget to share with your friends. Have a great day.